Hello my dear students, how are you all? Today we are again going to meet through online classes. So today in this video we are going to study chapter 18 of your EVS textbook, Too Much Water, Too Little Water. In our previous videos we have studied many issues and problems related to water and their solution as well. So in this chapter also we are going to study almost the same issues but through three different stories. First story is of Nalamada village, Andhra Pradesh. Suguna was reading when some guest came to their house. Selva offered them cold drink instead of water because water was not fit for drinking in that area. Second story is of Bazar Gaon, Maharashtra. There was a big water park where a lot of people were enjoying water activities, and outside the water park there was a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pots as there was water scarcity in that area. Third story is of Cuff Parade, Mumbai. Deepak had gone with his mother to Razia Madam's house. His mother worked there. Many people of their area got sick with diarrhea and vomiting because of drinking dirty water. So they boiled water for drinking. So now we are going to study major problems related to water. First is dirty water, as you can see in the picture. And what can we do to clean water? First of all, the easiest way is to boil water. Anyone can do this at our home. So cleaning water through boiling. Next is cleaning water through machines, as aquaguards and RO systems are installed in our houses through which we can get clean water. Next issue is diseases due to drinking dirty water. Number 1 disease is diarrhea. Number 2 is vomiting. In such diseases, our body loses water at a fast rate. So we need to keep it hydrated, and for this we need to give the patient ORS solution. ORS solution is easily available in market, and if in case ORS is not available in market, we can make it at home. For making ORS at home, we need 1 liter of water, 6 teaspoons of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. By mixing all these three, we can make homemade ORS. Next problem is scarcity of water, as you can see in the picture. And why water is so scarce? Because we waste a lot of water, right? And we have studied about all this in our previous video. And what we need to do is water conservations. You have made a lot of posters and slogan writing and many activities you have done as told by your teachers about water conservation. You all know water is very important for our life. Water is very important and we need to conserve it at any cost. And also we can do rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? We can collect rainwater in a tank and we can use this water at the time when we need it. So my dear students, I hope you understood all the concepts that I have told you today. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.